Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Target SBI is just my YouTube channel name, but we are targeting all the bank exams.
Now we are going to see simplifications. First question. Here percentage 5 multiple single 0 and 2 multiple. 5 13 times, 2 9 times and 1 time. So 39 times is 13, 13 1 times is 13 and 39 times is 117 118. So the value of this one is 1183. Here 35% of 2680. 5 multiple percentage single 0 and 2 multiple. 5 7 times 5 2 1 time 3 time and 4 times. Okay, 7 4 times is 28. 7 3 times 21 23 9. So we get 1 9 plus 3 12 10 11 2 1 2 1. Our answer will be 2 1 2 1, option B. Next, second question. Here it is 50 minus 1 into 12. 12 5 times is 600. 600 minus 12, which will be 588 plus 197. 197 minus this comes this side with minus 9 3 times is 27. 3 5 times 15 and 17, 177 equals to 19x. Here eliminating 7 and 7, this 7 and left with the 2 1. Okay, now we left with 806 608 equals to 19x. 19 3 times 57 and 2 times, so answer will be 32, option B. Next, third question. 33.33% means nothing but 1/3 of 3420. 3 1 times 1 times and 4 times 0 plus 6.66% is nothing but 1 by 15 into 1050, which will be 70 times, plus 8.33%, which is nothing but 1 by 12 into 720, 60 times. So we have 1140 plus 70 plus 60, 0 10 17 to 1 1 to 70 is our answer, which is option A. Next one, fourth one. 28% of 380 means 38 into 28 plus, first we calculate this one. The difference between these two numbers is 10. 10 minus 10 divided by 2, which will be 5. Adding 5 to 28, which will be 33 minus 5, 33 plus 5. This is nothing but this one. It seems like a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. A square, 33 square will be 1089 minus 25 4 6 1064 is the value of this one, 1064. Now here it is 22.22. We know that 11.11% is 1 by 9, but it is 22.22. So it will be 2 by 9 into 207. 9 3 times, 9 2 times is 18 and 3 times is 27. Okay, plus 476 equals to x. Therefore we have 1064. This will be 46 and 476. This will be 10 16 10 18 5 1 1586 is our answer, option C. Fifth one, 7 cube will be 343 minus this will be 13. 2197 under cube root will be 13 minus 13 means 330. 330 into 2.5 means nothing but 5 by 2. Wait a second. Okay, 330 is nothing but 5. 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2. 2, this 0 cancelled as 5. 33 into 25. So 3 into 11 into 25, 75, and into 11 means sum of these two, which will be 2 and 1, 825 is our answer. Answer D. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question, 98, which is 14 7 times is 98, and we got 21 here. So minus and minus are the symbols for these two roots. Here 3 into 45, 135. 135 means 15 9 times is 135. So here the roots are negative. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 3. We get 7 3 times is 21, 3 4 times is minus 42. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay. Second question, x cube equals to, this comes this side with the plus. We have 1 16 12 9 to 61. 9 to 61 is unit digit 1, leaving 3 digits 9 2 cube. So answer will be x is equals to 21, y equals to plus 21 minus 21. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay. Third one, here 6x plus 8y equals to 40 minus 9x plus 6y equals to 3. So first we are going to do multiplying this with 3 and this with 2. We get 6 3 times 18x plus 8 3 times 24y plus equals to 120. Here minus 18x plus 12y equals to 3 2 times 6. These are cancelled. This will be 36y equals to 126. Okay. 6 6 times and 6 21 times. Y equals to 3 2 times and 3 7 times. 7 by 2, which is nothing but 3.5. Y value is 3.5. So substituting y in this one, 6 y means 7 by 2. Y is nothing but 7 by 2 or 3 by 5. 3.5. 2 3 times 21 minus 9x equals to 3. 7 3 times 21 minus 3 equals to 9x, which will be 18. 18 9x means 2 times. So x value will be 2, y value will be 3.5. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next one, here 961. 961 means 31 square minus 576, which will be 24 square. We have totally 7. Under root x square minus 17. So this is 7 square, 49 equals to x square minus 15 comes this side with plus 15. It will be 14, 640, 64. Therefore, x value will be plus 8 or minus 8. Here, y value will be 8. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Wait, x is less than or equals to y. Sorry. Next one. Here under root 2. So 56 divided by 2, which will be 28. So we need to get 28. This is 3. 7 4 times is 28. So root 2 and root 2. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots symbols. So here 6 and this one 9 3 times. This is 6. We need to get 27. Let's make this as 3 into 2. 18 and 9. Okay. 18 and 9 are the roots and negative. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 6. Here 7 6 times 42 root 2 plus this will be 6 4 times 24 root 2. minus 18 minus 9. It is clear that these numbers comes in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. No relation can be established in between these two numbers, these two equations. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. 6 persons paid their EMI completely in 6 different months: April, May, June, July, August, and September. Okay, April, May, June, July, August, September. Okay, April has 30 days, May has 31, June has 30, July 31, August 31, and September 30 days. Now let's see the given. O paid in a month having 31 days. So O either here or here, or another possibility is here. Okay, next 3 persons paid between O and Q. 1, 2, 3 Q. This is place for Q. This case fails. So we have 2 possibilities only. Next, as many persons paid after Q as before R. Q here, so R is here. Q here, so R is here. Next, 2 persons paid between R and P. 1 to P. 1 to P. Next, P paid immediately before S. Immediately before S is P. This one. N did not pay in a month having an even number of days. So, not in even number of days means odd number day. N has in 31 days. We have left with the N. We cannot able to place N here because it is 30. So, this case fails. Only this is left. This is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions asked. Who among the following person paid their EMI in July? In July, yes. Option D. Next one. How many persons paid their EMI between N and P? No one. Option C. Third question. 4 of the 5 are alike. Find the odd one out. Q and N means 30 and 31. P and S 30 and 31. Next, R and S. R and S 31 and 30. O Q. This is O 31. Q 30. Okay. S and O. S is 31. O. O is also 31. So our odd one is S and O. Option E. These are different days, 30 and 31, like this. But in option E, both are in 31 days. So odd one out, which is E, option E. Now we are going to see missing number series. Here the numbers are gradually increasing, but first increasing, decreasing, same numbers. If we see same numbers, we will go with alternate numbers. Okay, here the difference between these two is minus 4, so the next one must be minus 4. 519 minus 4, which will be 515. Answer will be 515, option B. Next, second question. Here the numbers are gradually increasing and decreasing, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 23. Here the difference is 79. Wait a second. Here the difference is minus 1 and 2. Minus 21. Here the difference is plus 23. Here the difference is minus 21. So here there must be 23 plus 23. So our answer will be 180 plus 23 will be 103. 203. Answer will be 203, option A. Next, third question. Numbers are slightly varying. We'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 1. Here the difference is 9. Here the difference is 1, 4 and 4. This is 21 square. This is 3 square. This is 1 square. 1, 3, 21. 13. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is, we'll take 4. Means 7 square. Next 6. 7 plus 6, 13 square. Next 8. Okay. So 7 square will be 49. Difference between these two is 49. 172 plus 49 will be 221. Answer will be 221. Option B. Next, fourth question. Here this is into 2 plus 2. 32 4 times. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 plus 4. So into 4 plus 4. This is into 8 2 times 16, 8 3 times 24 25. 8 1 8, 10 1 0 8 plus 8. So into 8 plus 8. So it must be into 1 plus 1. This is into half plus half. So 1 subtracting 1 to this one, 14. 14. So question mark will be 14. 14 into 1 is 14. 14 plus 1 will be 15. So option A, 14 is our answer. Next, 69. These numbers are gradually increasing and decreasing. We'll go with the differences. Here the plus 1. Here the difference is minus 64. Here the difference is plus 125. Is 4 cube. This is 5 cube. It is 1 cube. So here 2 cube. Here 3 cube. Minus 8 plus 27. 70 minus 8, which will be 62. 62 plus 27 will be 89. So answer will be option A, 62. Now we are going to see wrong number series. First, we are going to see the differences between these two. Here the difference is minus 25. Here the difference is minus 5, 2 and 2. Okay, here the difference is 5, 2 and 6. Minus 6, 25. It is 5 square. This is 15 square. This is 25 square. So let's see this one. Here the difference between these two is 4, 2, 2, 1. It is wrong. We need to get 35 square, which is 1 to 2, 5. So wrong number is this one. Next one. Here we see the difference between these two numbers is 841. Here the difference between these two is 387. Okay, next one is 0, 3, 7. Here the difference between these two numbers is 6, 7, 6. These are familiar numbers to me. Here the difference between these two is 5, 2 and 6. This is also familiar number. It is 25 square, 26 square. This is 29 square. So it must be 20. It is 29 square. So it must be 28 and it must be 27. These two numbers are not what actually squares. So our wrong number is 1626. Next one. Here the numbers are gradually increasing, so we will go with the differences. Here the difference is 63. Here the difference is 26. Here the difference will be 612, 216. I know this number. Here the difference between these two is 49. I also know this number. Here the difference between these two numbers is 1, 2 and 5. I also know this number. It is 8 cube. This is 7 square. This is 6 cube. So it must be 5 square and this must be 4 cube. These numbers are wrong. So our wrong number is 153. Next one. This is into 1.5. This is into 2. This is into 2.5. So it must be into 1 and it must be half. So our wrong number is this one. 80 half will be 40. Next, fifth question. Here the numbers are gradually decreasing. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 57. Here the difference is 6 and 7, 76. Here the difference is 95. Here the difference is 115. Here the difference will be 231. Let's see further differences. Here the difference is 19. Here the difference is 19. Here the difference 19 means not this one, 114. 114 plus 19 will be 133. So wrong number is this one. Let's see. 397 plus 114 will be 283. 283 plus 1. Wait a second. So 283 minus 133 will be 150. So our answer, our wrong number is 282. Now we are going to see inequalities. First question, the flow from T to S. From T it is going to S with equal to also. So first question, first conclusion will be false. Next, the flow from T to X. From T we can reach to S and from S we can reach to X. So second conclusion will be true. Next, second question, the flow from V to L with equal to also. From V we can reach to X. From X we can reach to L. Here is equal to and here is also equal to. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, W to L, the flow from W to L. From W we cannot go anywhere because there is no flow from W. So second conclusion will be false. Next, third question, the flow from X to K. Here X, from X we can reach to P. From P we can reach to N. From N we can reach to K. So first conclusion will be true. G to K. From G we can reach to N. From N we can reach to K. So second conclusion is also true. Next, fourth question, the flow from X to T. Here from X we can reach to W. From W we can reach to T. So first conclusion will be true. The flow from Z to E with equal to also. Z to W is possible. From W we cannot reach to E. So second conclusion will be false. Last question, the flow from C to B. Here is C. From C we can reach to S. From S we can reach to B. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, flow from Y to A. From Y we can reach to S. From S we can reach to A. So second one is true. Now we are going to solve syllogisms. First question, only a few jaguar is panther. Only a few jaguar is panther. No panther is lion. Only a few lion is cheetah. Let's see conclusions. All cheetah is lion. All cheetah is lion. Is a possibility? Yes, it is possible. First one is true. Second conclusion, all jaguar is panther is possibility. All jaguar inside panther. No, it is not possible because this part is not sharing with the P. So all jaguar cannot be placed inside panther. So second conclusion will be false. Next, second question, only a few almond is cashew. Almond is cashew. Some cashew is pistachio. Only pistachio is raisin. Raisin says only with pistachio, nothing except pistachio. Okay, first one. Conclusions. Some cashew is raisin. Cashew and raisin. Raisin does not share with anything except pistachio. So first question, first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, no almond is pistachio. Here almond, this is almond is a possibility. First we leave this is a possibility. We check no almond is pistachio. Almond and pistachio can share some part. So no case fails. No case fails, but saying that possibility. Possibility means, saying possibility means second conclusion will be true. Okay. So first conclusion will be false, second conclusion will be true. Third question. Only a few biscuit is cookie. Only a few biscuit is cookie. All chips is biscuit. Wait a second. Only a few biscuit is cookie. All chips is biscuit. All chips is biscuit. No biscuit is ice cream. Now we're going to see conclusions. First conclusion. Some cookie is ice cream. This is cookie and this is ice cream, and it is direct conclusion. There is no direct relation between these two in a basic Venn diagram, so this case fails. Second one, all cookies chips is a possibility. All cookies inside chips is a possibility. Yes, it is possible. So first one is false, second one is true. Next we are going to see question number 4. Only a few sofa is table. No table is chair. Only a few chair is desk. Okay, let's see conclusions. First conclusion, no sofa is desk. Sofa and desk we can share some part, so this case fails. Second conclusion, some chair being sofa is a possibility. This is chair and this is sofa. Some case possible or not? Yes, it is possible. So second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see last one. Only a few keyboard is CPU. Keyboard is CPU. All CPU is monitor. Some monitor is mouse. Wait a second. Some monitor is mouse. This one. Only fifth question. Only a few keyboard is CPU. All CPU is monitor. All CPU is monitor. Some monitor is mouse. This is mouse. First conclusion. Some mouse can be keyboard. Mouse keyboard can possibility. Yes, it is possible. Second conclusion, no keyboard is monitor. Keyboard here, monitor here, it is sharing some part, so second conclusion is false.
Thanks for watching.